What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to change your name in here on Facebook. Let's say that for a specific reason you've actually typed in the wrong name, or you've just got married and you wish to change your surname or anything like that. Here in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So all you want to do is simply hop into our profile real quick in here and then tap on the three lines at the top left corner, right? Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to settings and privacy and then tap in here on settings real quick. Let it load for a couple of seconds, and the next thing you're going to do is simply tap on accounts center at the top of the phone. Next up, tap on profiles and check which account you wish to change your name on. Next up, for example, I'm going to tap on my Facebook account here. I am, and then I do have an option in here which says name at the top. All I need to do is tap over there, very simple, and then simply rename your name in here. Once you're done changing it, simply tap on save and you're good to go. So this is how easy you can actually change your name on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find my content with some value, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.